Hey everyone, so I'm going to be ranking some birds from movies and TV shows. Alright, I'm gonna get started. Okay, first up is Potty the Parrot from SpongeBob SquarePants. I don't think this bird is very nice. I seem to remember he was pecking at Patchy on multiple occasions. I'm gonna put him in C tier. Karu from One Piece, I'm going to put in A tier. I think they were really helpful. Tweety Bird, I'm gonna put in B tier just because I have no attachment towards them. Kevin from Up, I'm also gonna put in A tier. Kevin is a good bird. Oh, and she likes chocolate. Alright, a Big Bird from Sesame Street. I feel like he should go in A tier. Yes, I know the image cut off their heads. I am not including every character from Angry Birds because that would make a video of its own. But I picked who I think is the main one, Red. I'm just gonna put them in B tier because... Okay, Duck from DHMIS is probably gonna go in A tier. But I'm pretty sure the duck from the first episode was replaced. So, am I ranking the duck from the first episode or from the original web series or every episode in the new show after the first duck was killed? I don't know how many ducks there were. Zazu from The Lion King is going in A tier. Zazu's a good character. The Roadrunner, you know what, I'm just gonna put the Roadrunner in S tier because I think they're funny. The bird from Rio, I think his name is Blue. I liked that movie. I'm just gonna put him in B tier. Scuttle, I'm also gonna put in B tier. Actually, no, I think Scuttle should go in A tier. Yeah. This is the pelican from Finding Nemo. I'm just gonna put him in B tier. He was also a good character. I think he tried to help Nemo escape at one point. Okay, Donald Duck is... Wait, yeah, Donald Duck is going in S tier, because it's Donald. Howard the Duck, who you might know from the Guardians of the Galaxy movies. Oh, and he was in that episode of What If. It was What If Nebula joined the Nova Corps. And that was kind of funny, so I'll just put him in... I'll just put him in B tier. Duchess Swan from Ever After High. I feel like I should put her in S tier. Right. Okay, Iago is also gonna go in S tier. He also had a redemption arc in the sequel. Okay. Oh, Wormwood from Sophia the First is not a good evil bird sidekick. He actually, minor spoilers if you haven't watched Sophia the First, but he ends up betraying Cedric, so he's just gonna go in D tier. Scrooge McDuck, he should also go in S tier next to Donald. He is the richest character. Also, he cares about his family. He's goes on fun adventures. I included Felix as Argos from Miraculous because he's got the Peacock Miraculous now. I'm gonna put him in B tier. He wasn't even in that many episodes, and I wish he was in the finale. Minor spoilers also if you haven't watched Miraculous. I should have said minor spoilers if you haven't watched the next couple of things. That if you haven't watched where the next couple of characters have come from. Anyway, Hootie is, huh? What just happened? Yeah, Hootie kidnapped Amity, and he also set up the Tunnel of Love in what was probably less than an hour. I don't know how long it took him to set that up, let alone how he set that up when he does it. Okay, there was a glitch there. Hootie is definitely going in S tier. Flapjack is obviously going in S tier. If you know, you know. Stolas is also, yeah, he's gonna go in S tier, I guess. If you haven't, yeah, okay. Hattori, the pigeon from One Piece. So, I'm not sure what's going on with this pigeon. As you can see, it is wearing a coat and a tie and a hat. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in D tier. My mom does not like this pigeon, and she definitely does not like the guy whose shoulder this pigeon sits on. Okay, Shinyun from Genshin Impact. I'm gonna put her in, okay, I'm gonna put her in A tier. I liked the recent event, the recent Lantern Red event. So her story quest, I thought that was nice. And also, like, remembering back before she was playable, and she did help save Leeway, so yeah. Anyway, that's all the characters, I think. I didn't include every fictional bird character, just the ones I'm familiar with. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Oh yeah, I forgot I wanted to include this character from My Hero Academia. I would put him in B tier. I think he's cool.